Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, second class. Are your students? Your students, I hope everybody will be fine, inshallah, and they will be enjoying a safe and sound health with the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And may God protect all of us from all kind of dangers. Ameen. Dear students, let's start our today's topic from English book 2, that is Modern Prose and Heroes. Dear students, today we shall start your first lesson, that is end of term, and this essay has been written by David H. Dear students, David H. he was born on 2nd September 1912 and he died on 15 July 2005. And dear students, he was a Scottish literary historian and literary critic. He was a scholar and writer as well. He wrote extensively on English literature, Scottish literature and Scottish culture. So students, he was a very well-renowned, you can say, author of different books. He wrote a lot of books, and we find that he was, in this lesson, he is talking about something else, that this particular essay, that is end of term, it is an autobiographical essay. Okay? So this is an autobiographical essay in which the author David H. he recalls the days of his school life. He expresses his feelings and memories regarding the holidays, which, while criticizing the rigorous and boring school system, he frankly talks about his poverty and his feelings and memories regarding the holidays while criticizing the rigorous and boring school. Dear students, he frankly talks about his poverty and describes those desires that remain unfulfilled. So, we can say that after reading the lesson, we can admire that the writer possesses a remarkable memory and he even tells the minute details of the bygone days. I mean to say that he learned, he memorized all the details of his previous days. इतनी इसकी बेटा memory अच्छी है that he can describe each and everything from his olden days. Better, let's start our text, and when we read the text we will know that what the author has explained more about his previous days. So let's start. I believe a school teacher wrote a book some years ago with title Friday Thank God. So he says that I believe that, उसका believe इस चीज़ का कि I believe a school teacher wrote a book. एक school teacher ने क्या book लिखी some years ago, whose title was Friday Thank God. Mean to say कि खुदा का शुक्र है कि जुम्मा तो आया. Mean to say like Friday it was like a holiday. So students, you know that in the life of students, weekend or a holiday is have a lot of happiness. It creates a lot of happiness because it is a relaxation day for them. They feel a lot of relaxed and you can say comfort when they find that the holiday is coming. Okay, beta? So same with the case with David H. That phrase expresses perfectly and my attitude to the arrival of the weekend during term time when I was a schoolboy. Okay, so saying that this phrase में बेटा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या इडियम या सेंटेंस, ठीक है, स्मॉल सेंटेंस, उसको हम कहते हैं एक्सप्रेसेस परफेक्टली माय एटीट्यूड, कि मेरा जो एटीट्यूड है, मेरा जो यू कैन से रवैया है इसकी तरफ टू द अराइवल ऑफ द वीकेंड, कि जो वीकेंड आ रहा है उसकी तरफ जो मेरा एटीट्यूड है, ठीक है, मेरा कंपैशन है, जो मेरी अफेक्शन है उसकी तरफ, वो क्या है, अराइवल ऑफ द वीकेंड ड्यूरिंग टर्म टाइम व्हेन आई वाज अ स्कूल बॉय. कहता है जब मैं स्कूल बॉय था तो ये मेरा परफेक्टली मेरी सारी इस चीज़ को शो करता है. द डेली ग्रीन ऑफ स्कूल विद इट्स अबंडेंट होमवर्क, इट्स फियर्स कंपटीशन, द सेंस ऑफ नेवर बीइंग एबल टू रिलैक्स pressed heavily upon my in spite of the fact that I often enjoy the actual classroom work. Okay. He's saying that the daily grind of school, grind mean बेटा हार्ड वर्क, सख्त काम, मुश्किल काम, ठीक है, विद इट्स अबंडेंट होमवर्क. आपको पता है ना कि अबंडेंट मीन प्लेंटीफुल, बहुत ज़्यादा होमवर्क स्कूल में मिलते हैं. कुछ ऐसे स्कूल होते हैं बेटा दे गिव मिनिमम होमवर्क एंड वार on the other hand some schools they give a lot of homework to the students. So it is the each school has its own style, ठीक है. So he's saying that they were giving me its abundant homework, its fierce competition. Okay बेटा, fierce mean intense. Competition भी आपको पता है, when you are in school and even you are in a college, you have a lot of competition, and we say that in every field of life, ठीक है बेटा, we face competition. There are competitors. We found competitors in every you can say station or in every field of life. So the sense of never being able to relax. So क्या था बेटा कि he was feeling that he would never be relaxed. कभी relax नहीं हो पाएगा. Pressed heavily upon me in spite of the fact that, अब pressed heavily mean कि crush heavily, ठीक है, कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से ये चीज़ मुझे आके लगती थी या मुझे ज़ोर से ये चीज़ कहती थी. The fact that I often enjoy the actual class work, कि जो है वो मैं अक्सर क्लासरूम के कहते हैं इन सारी चीज़ों के बावजूद I often enjoy the actual classroom work, जो क्लासरूम में वर्क करना वो मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा अक्सर enjoy करता था. ठीक है बेटा. Waking up in morning with the knowledge that one simply had to get out of bed, that there was no possibility of turning over for an extra dose, and seeing the hours of school stretching ahead was a dismal experience, especially on a Monday. Oh wow, working day beta. Monday mean working day. So he's saying that after getting relaxed from the weekend, so Monday looked very horrible and tiresome for the students. ऐसे students कि जो मंडे फर्स्ट डे आता है बट आफ्टर वीकेंड वी फील ओ नो वी हैव टू गो टू देयर, वी हैव टू गो टू आवर वर्क. So beta, I think the students, they should be very enthusiastic that they are going to a place where they have to learn. They will find a lot of new information, new ideas, and they will be busy the whole day in working. So it is very, I think it should be very enjoyable thing. Okay, so he's saying that waking up in the morning with the knowledge that कि सुबह के टाइम इस knowledge के साथ, इस इल्म के साथ उठना that one simply had to get out of bed, कि आपने जो है वो आपको बिस्तर छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि on Monday you keep sleeping, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. That one simply had to get out of bed, that there was no possibility of turning over for an extra dose. अब टर्निंग ओवर मीन टू से कि अब आपको एक्स्ट्रा डोज नहीं लेनी पड़ेगी, मीन टू से दैट यू वॉन्ट स्लीप मोर, ऐसे ही ना. एंड सीइंग द आवर्स ऑफ स्कूल स्ट्रेचिंग अहेड, और आपको लगेगा कि आगे फैले हुए स्कूल के जो आवर्स हैं, ठीक है बेटा, स्ट्रेचिंग अहेड, कि जो आपके स्कूल के आवर्स आपके पास आ गए, आप उसके बारे में सोच रहे हो जैसे आप अभी बिस्तर से उठे नहीं हो. So you're thinking that, oh, I have to study 8 hours, 6 hours, I have to spend 6 hours in my school, and I have to do a lot of things there. So beta, when you are on sleeping bed, these things can be in your mind. Now the dismal experience, okay, dismal means miserable. ठीक है बेटा, miserable experience था for an extra dose. And seeing especially on Monday के दिन तो कहता बहुत ही चीज़ें बुरी लगती थी. We had a maid once who would climb each morning with grim steps up to the attic floor where Lionel and I slept in one bedroom, and my sister Sylvia in another, that announced in deep funeral tones, Lionel, David, Sylvia, time. Okay beta, now he's saying that they had a maid and who used to come to the floor, and she called she called Sylvia and Sylvia Lionel. It was the name of their brothers, his brother and sister. So he called all these children. Time in beta, now it is time to get out. I used to lie waiting for the ominous tread on the uncarpeted attic stair. अब बेटा कहते I used to lie waiting, मैं वहाँ पे लेटा रहता, इंतजार करता रहता. that ominous, okay बेटा, ominous mean threateningly, धमकी अमेज, ठीक है. धमकी अमेज tread के बेटा walk, उसकी कदमों की जो चाप है उसको tread कहते हैं. okay, where is it? on the uncarpeted, के वहाँ पे carpet नहीं बिछा हुआ था, ठीक है, जो उनका फ्लोर था वहाँ पे carpeted नहीं बिछा हुआ था, attic stairs थी वहाँ की, ठीक है. तो कहते हैं कि उनके साथ जो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के आती थी वहाँ पे attic stairs थी, and the voice is heralded sounded in my ear like a summons to damnation. और कहते हैं उसकी जो voice थी heralded, कि उसके कानों में herald mean proclaim, announce करना, heralded sounded, कहते announce करती थी, sounded in my ears, that ominous like a summons to damnation. समन मीन बेटा ऑर्डर, और डैमनेशन मीन हेल, कि जैसे मुझे कोई जहन्नुम में, कोई हेल में बुला रहा है, ठीक है बेटा। ही इज जस्ट दीज आर द फीलिंग्स ऑफ डेविड एजेस, अपनी फीलिंग्स बता रहा है। द एंटिसिपेशन वाज ऑलवेज वर्स देन द रियलिटी, कहता है जो उसकी एंटिसिपेशन थी, एंटिसिपेशन मीन पेश आगाही थी या फोक नॉलेज था, ठीक है, कि जो उसको पहले से पता था सारा कुछ होना है, इट वाज always worse than the reality. I don't remember even being especially unhappy in class. कहता मुझे ये नहीं लगता था कि मैं कभी क्लास में unhappy रहा, because he enjoyed a lot of in class, but the oppressive weight of the knowledge of a full day school ahead remained a characteristic sensation of my childhood. कहता लेकिन इस चीज का इल्म की जो है वो पूरा दिन जो है वो मुझे यहाँ पे रहना पड़ेगा, काम की उसके मतलब पूरे दिन का काम मेरे सामने होगा। आई डोंट रिमेम्बर इवन बीइंग स्पेशली, बट दैट ऑप्रेसिव वेट मीन बेटा कि जो उसके सामने हार्श, ऑप्रेसिव मीन हार्श, और मीन से कि जो एक हार्श सा था, एक उसको अच्छा नहीं लगती थी ये चीज, बट द ऑप्रेसिव वेट ऑफ द नॉलेज ऑफ अ फुल डे स्कूल, कि फुल डे उसने वहां पे गुजारना है, इस चीज का जब उसको जहन में आती थी ये बात, आई हैड रिमेन्ड अ करेक्टरिस्टिक सेंसेशन, तो बेटा उसके अंदर जो है वो एक मखसूस एहसास पैदा होता था, ठीक है, सेंसेशन होता है एहसास, करेक्टरिस्टिक मखसूस एहसास पैदा होता था ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड, एंड डिसअपीयर्ड ओनली आफ्टर आई हैड लेफ्ट स्कूल, और कहता है ये तब खत्म हो गया व्हेन आई लेफ्ट स्कूल एंड एंटर द यूनिवर्सिटी, और यूनिवर्सिटी में मैं एंटर हो गया, वेयर द स्मॉलर नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस टू बी अटेंडेड एंड द फ्रीडम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट टू कम एंड गो meant a completely new kind of academic world. But of course आपको पता है कि वहाँ पे in college there are less students and less homework, less work as compared to the school. So to wake up on a Thursday morning to feel the end of the week already live. I had Friday morning was positively rose colored. Beta, I think कि Friday, Saturday, Sunday they had 3 holidays. So that's why the Friday it was a very good day for them. ठीक है, so beta it's enough for today. Inshallah we start on the very next paragraph tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.